It's definitely been a minute, and there's a reason for it. That video I just posted. I've been driving a Jeep, trying to get it out, been replacing sensors, trying to get rid of some of those check engine lights, and then it just keeps dying on me. One day I popped the hood after it died, and I'm sitting in the middle of the street, and wiggled that, and that's when I started hearing relays click. So I think there's something in here. Let's see if I can do it on the camera. Let's see. There's a wire in here that's loose that will make a relay, like a few relays click. So I need to figure out what wire is loose so I can continue driving this, because it keeps dying on me. I was actually supposed to be on the trail today, but this has been acting up. But for those who care, I did add side skirts for the Nissan. They are a little bit off. I'm gonna repaint those later, but depending on the angle, looks good. I added painted my front lip, added a splitter that exploded while I was on the highway. Added side skirts. Yeah, it looks really good besides it being slightly off. And then I got something else back here. Got that little guy from a friend. 250. Says it's a pit bike, but it's pretty big for a pit bike. But yeah, that's what's been going on now. I'm gonna try to figure this out so I can start driving it again. It's been sitting in a garage for weeks now. I try to pull it out and it'll turn off on me. I'll let you guys know how it goes. Yep, that's it. Something in there. Oh boy. So I got all the wires undone. It's hard to reach it because I'm only 5'9", so about to put this on it. And I'll get back when it's done. Found my issue. Time to go buy a new one. So this is the one that was in my Jeep. You can see it's all twisted. It's, oh shit. It's barely connected. Like, not even, yeah, it's junk. And then here's a new one. I'm about to throw this in there. There is oil in there, but to be honest, I don't know how that's caused. So I'm gonna clean it up and then throw it back in there. All right, so park the Nissan, park the truck. I'm gonna drive this today. I fixed the problem. I did drive it after I initially fixed it, and it was still sputtering a little bit. But hopefully right now it's good. I'm gonna drive it to work and see how it is. I drove it to work yesterday, drove fine. It did have that sputter at high RPMs, but it wasn't as bad as it usually is. On the way home, it was fine. Besides that, everything is still fine, hasn't turned off. Replacing that sensor worked really well, so thank God. But besides that, everything is going good. My bad. You never see this one in the garage, but it's just oil change and tire rotation. My wife kept it bone stock, so it usually has no issues. My truck, dead battery, haven't driven it in like a week. Car's good, but the main thing is the Jeep. it still sputters under load. It's like it's breaking up. It still runs and drives. I drove it today. Drove it Wednesday, Thursday, Friday to work. It's good. The eBay power steering pump that I put on is leaking now, so I got to get one from Rock Auto. It's a V8 WJ pump, so I got to get that one ordered and put on. But besides that, yeah, just sputtering, and it's good. Once I figure all that out, I'll do my heater core, and this thing will be done. I mean, there's always going to be little things I'm going to do to it, but all the big stuff will be done. Hoping to get that done soon. And like always, like, comment, and subscribe for more.